everybody, welcome to preschool today. Today is Wednesday, and today we're going to review the numbers. I brought my friend Pete to class today. Everybody say hi, Pete. Hi, Claus. Pete says hi. Okay, let's start by washing our hands. Okay, and begin. This is the way we wash our hands, wash our hands, wash our hands. This is the way we wash our hands when it's time to start. This is the way we shake our hands, shake our hands, shake our hands. This is the way we shake our hands when it's time to start. This is the way we clap our hands, clap our hands, clap our hands. This is the way we clap our hands when it's time to start. This is the way we pat our hands, pat our hands, pat our hands. This is the way we pat our hands when it's time to start. Okay. My hands smell yummy. That means they're clean. Do they look clean? Yes, they do. All right, Daxton, come on up. You want to do our flag? Okay, what do you say to everybody?
Please stand.
Please stand up. Now what do you say?
And begin.
Oh, let's switch hands. Put your right hand over your heart and begin. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Thank you, Daxton. Okay, let's have Holly come on up. Holly, come on up.
Okay, come in.
And Holly's going to do days of the week. Hurry, Holly.
Come in.
Okay. Friends at home, sing with me, please. There are 7 days in a week. Won't you name them all with me? Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Holly, can you point to Wednesday? Right in the middle of the week. It's Wednesday. Okay, Holly, let's count and find what number comes next. Okay, here we go. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
6.
6. Today is the 6th day of May. Thank you, Holly. Okay, Haley, why don't you come help us do our ABCs? Okay, Haley's going to lead us in our ABCs. Let's say our ABCs together. Ready? Begin. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Thank you, Haley. Okay, Daxton, why don't you come up and do our weather today? All right. Look out the window. What does it look like outside? What does it look like outside? Cloudy. You are right, Daxton. It is cloudy today. Okay, thank you, Dax. Okay, friends. Today, we are going to review the numbers. What are the numbers? Can you tell me what the numbers are? Can I spell my name with the numbers?
No.
No. numbers we count, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? Do you see the numbers up here on my board all around me? Okay, let's count these numbers. They're all mixed up, okay? So you are going to help me find the right number, okay? David, you can zoom in a little bit, maybe, and try to get all the numbers, okay, at the same time. We're going to count and point with your finger, okay, point with your finger to the right number as we count. We're going to start with 0, okay? All right, I'm going to move out of the screen for just a minute. All right, friends, let's start with 0, and then we're going to count to 10, but we need to find the next number as they're all mixed up, okay? You can point to your screen. Ready? 0, 1, 2, where's the 3? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, we're not going to do it in class today, but you should be able to put those numbers in order. As you count, you should be able to put those numbers in order, okay? All right, and I hope you're practicing counting to 30, okay? Practice, practice, practice. Okay, did you notice when we counted, Mrs. Hanson used the green finger to touch each number, right? All year long as we count, we touch each item, right? So when I'm counting on my dice, I use my finger and I touch each dot, okay? Today in your packet, you have a counting dots. Okay, you have counting dots. As you count your dots, please touch each dot. Okay, how many dots are in this box? 1. Okay, Haley, can you find the stickers out of there? How many dots are in this box? Okay, count the dots, then put the number on the line using your number stickers, okay? The number stickers are down here at the bottom, okay? So this is 1 through 12, okay? 1 through 12. Use your stickers, count the dots, and make the number, okay? All right, that's one of your activities today. Thank you, Haley. All right, let's play a fun game. I told you I brought with me today my friend Pete. Pete, what's wrong with you today?
I'm hungry.
What, Pete?
I'm hungry.
Pete, why are you hungry?
I didn't eat breakfast.
Uh-oh, Pete forgot to eat breakfast. So Pete wants to eat. What do I have on my table that Pete can eat? Well, I only have candy. Do you have candy at your house? Well, Mrs. Hanson sent you candy. So for this activity, you're going to find this bag here. It's in your packet, okay? You have candy pieces right here, and you can feed Pete from your house. Find your candy pieces and we'll do it together. Pete, my friends have a treat.
Oh, I can hardly wait.
Pete is excited to have a treat. Well, Pete, it's only a treat. Guys, guess what? Pete and treat. Do those sound the same? Pete, treat. they rhyme, right? When words sound the same, they rhyme. Pete, treat. Pete, eat. Pete wants to eat a treat. Oh, we have 3 rhyming words. Pete, treat, and eat, right? Okay, friends, should we feed Pete? How much should we feed Pete?
2.
Pete, how hungry are you?
I could eat all of those.
Uh-oh, Pete, you don't get to eat all of my candy.
Why not?
Because today, Pete, we're counting. You only get to eat however many dots are on the dice.
Okay.
All right, friends, are you ready? Let's roll the dice and see how many treats we get to feed Pete, okay? All right, Pete, just be patient for a minute. We're going to open our Smarties. Friends, get your Smarties out. Mrs. Hanson has big ones so that you can see far away. Because you're all far, far away, aren't you? Okay, I'm going to lay out my candy pieces. Okay? I'm going to lay them out. Can you help me count how many candy pieces I have? You might have a different number. You're going to need to count how many candy pieces you have. Okay? Let's count them together. David, can you zoom in on the top of my table? You might have to lift up your phone. Okay, count how many pieces I have here, friends. Ready? Begin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Pete, I have 19 pieces of candy for you.
Oh, good. I can hardly wait.
Okay, friends, Pete is excited to eat a treat. Okay, I have 19 pieces of candy. How many do you have in your package? Your package might have more or maybe less. Okay, all right. Well, we shouldn't wait any longer. Pete is ready to eat. Eat, Pete. Pete, eat. Here we go. Dax, would you like to come up and give our dice a little roll? Let's start by rolling 1 dice. Okay, give it a little roll, Dax. Roll it. Pick it up, shake it, and drop it. Whoa, Dax. Okay, when we roll our dice, remember, gotta shake, 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 and drop. Okay? All right, go ahead. Shake, 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 and drop. Ooh! How many dots are on the dice? 1. Let's feed Pete 1 treat. Daxton, you want to feed Pete? Okay, Pete, here it comes. Uh-oh, put it in his mouth. Nope. Put it in his mouth. Push it in there, Dax. Okay, here like this. Pete eats like this. There, push it in. Oh, Pete liked that treat. Okay, let's do it again. Holly, come on up. Give my dice a roll.
Yes.
We have a treat for Pete. Treat and Pete. All right. Oh, try again, Holly. Right here on my table. Oh, how many dots are on the dice? Well, we go from the number on top, right? Okay, so I'm going to show you. All right, count those dots with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. Do you see how Mrs. Hanson touched each dot? Holly gets to feed Pete 4 treats. Okay, Holly? Put 4 treats in Pete's mouth. Count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Pete likes the treat. But guess what? We can't continue until we have a treat. We better have a treat. Everybody eat 1 treat. If Pete gets a treat, then so do you. That's fun. I ate a treat. Okay. All right, Haley, your turn. Okay. Did you eat a treat? Don't forget, it's fun to eat a treat when we're doing our activities. Okay. Haley, give us a roll. Try it again. Right, get down here. Oh! Okay, gotta keep it on my table.
Okay, let's take these 2.
Woo! Okay, here we go. There it is. Count how many treats Pete gets. Ready? Oops. 1, 2, 3. Okay, Haley, feed Pete 3 treats. Feed Pete. Pete wants a treat. 1, 2, 3. Okay, Pete, I'm sorry to tell you, but we're almost done.
That's okay. These are yummy.
Pete likes our treats. Okay, whose turn is it now?
Daxton.
Daxton, come on up. Let's have Daxton roll 2 dice. Okay? All right, Daxton, go ahead, roll the dice. You need to roll 2 dice and try to keep them on the table. Whoa! There they go. Okay. Oh, this has 6. I need the other one. Go get the other one. And the other one flew off our table. Okay, Pete, we know you get 6. Dax, roll that one. Roll it. And 2. Okay, count these dots with me. Okay, let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Pete gets 8 treats, Dax. Friends, count with Daxton as we feed Pete 8 treats. Okay, Dax, do you want to go around the front and feed Pete? All right, just don't stand in front of the camera. Friends, count with me. 1. Yep, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Thank you, Daxton. Okay, friends, Pete is full. Pete, are you full? Uh-oh, Pete's tooth broke. Okay, Pete, are you full?
Well, it looks like there's 1 more for me and 1 more for you.
Pete, you saved 1 for me and 1 for you?
I'm good at sharing.
Pete is good at sharing. Look, how many pieces of candy do I have left?
2.
David, can you see? 1, 2. There are 2 pieces of candy, and Pete says 1 is for me and 1 is for him. Thank you, Pete. I love that Pete shares. Pete is being a good friend by sharing with me. So Pete gets 1. Here you go, Pete. Thank you. And Mrs. Hanson gets the last one. Just like that. All right. Thanks, Pete. Okay, friends. Pete is full. Okay? Pete is full. All right. Now, our next activity. Whoa. This one is sour. My candy is sour. Is your candy sour?
No.
Well, when you guys are playing Feed Pete, a treat, you're going to, I didn't send home dice. I sent you home lots of treats, okay? Here. This is really sour. Haley? Can you? Thank you. Haley's gonna put my treat away in the garbage because that was really sour for me. Okay, do you like sour candies? All right, here we go, friends. I gave you 3 packages of treats, okay, because I wanted you to have enough to count to 30, okay? Hopefully you have 30, okay? Count as many as you can. When you play Feed Pete, you're going to pick a number out of the bag, okay? You have sticks with numbers, okay? You have sticks with numbers. Some are black, some are red. You can work from the red side or the black side, okay? There's red and black numbers. You pick which side you want to work from, okay? So you draw a stick. How many treats does Pete get? What number?
17.
What number? 17. Ooh, that's a high number, okay? Maybe I don't want to count to 17, so I'm going to work from the other side, okay? The other side has the lower numbers, okay? So maybe I'll pull out this stick. What number is that?
8.
What number is that, Dax?
8.
8? Pete gets 8 treats, okay? So then you count out 8 treats, all right? Okay, there's your number practice. Whoops. And you should be able to count to 20 and try to recognize, see if you know what all the numbers are, okay? All right, the next one is a fun game. I sent home a ball, okay? Pete, do you mind scooting over a little bit? Thanks, Pete. Okay, Daxton, come on up here. I'm gonna turn my table just a little bit. Okay, Dax, you stand right here. Okay, I sent home a ball, okay? We're going to count, Dax, stand right here. Okay, right there, can you see, David? Okay, I'm going to pass the ball to Daxton. Every time the ball gets bounced, okay, every time the ball bounces and Daxton catches it or I catch it, we're going to count. How high can you count? By catching the ball back and forth with your partner. Camden and Sawyer, you can play this game together, right? Okay, Dax, are you ready? Okay, here we go. If Daxton catches the ball, we're going to continue counting back and forth, okay? Pass me the ball, here we go. 1, oh, okay. Catch the ball and then pass it right back to me, okay? Here we go. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh, yay! How many times did Daxton and I pass the ball back and forth before we lost the ball? 9 times. Should we try again, Dax? Okay. Now, if this is really easy for you, Then scoot back and try a little bit harder. You can do it on a table or you can do it on the ground. Okay, are you ready? This is our counting ball. Okay, here we go, Dax. How many times can we pass the ball back and forth before we lose the ball? All right, here we go. Now, I forgot to tell you, friends, if you don't have a partner, you can do it by yourself. And remember, it's okay to do it by yourself sometimes. See how many times you can bounce the ball and catch it like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. But use the ground, okay? See if you can catch the ball in the air. It might be hard, but remember, all you have to do is try. Try, try, try. Okay, Dax, let's do it one more time, okay? All right, count with me, friends, and let's see how many times Daxton and I can catch the ball before we lose it. Okay, here we go, Dax. 1. Oh, try again. Try again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, how many times? 8. Good job, Daxton. Okay, that is your third activity. Feed Pete. Okay, count the dots and make the numbers and count how many times you can catch the ball or pass the ball with a friend or a family member before you lose the ball. Okay? That, friends, is our number review. Okay? Today your worksheet is, oh, there goes our ball. Okay? 1 through 10. Can you write the numbers 1 through 10? Okay? If somebody gives you a number 9, do you know that that's a number 9 and you need to hand them 9 pieces of candy? Practice, practice, practice. On the other side, this is 1 to 20. I sent home a dot marker with you this week, okay? It's not washable, okay? It's not washable, so try not to get it on your hands or on your table, all right? You get to put a dot on every number. Remember to count as you touch each number, okay? And last, I forgot to announce yesterday, David, over here, please. I forgot to announce yesterday. Do I need to move Pete? Can you see there, friends? Okay, I forgot to announce yesterday. We're going to have a parking lot graduation, and you are invited. Each one of you are going to have 1 parking space just for you and your car, okay? Now, when we have a parking lot graduation, you will have to stay at your car, okay? I think I'm going to double check, but you might be able to sit in a camping chair, or you might be able to sit in the back of your truck, okay? However it is, you'll need to stay at your car with your family, okay? Every family will have 1 parking space, all right? So we will have a graduation. Mrs. Hanson will call you up one by one, and I will give you your graduation certificate, okay? Your graduation award, all right? Okay, so that is in your packet as well today. Okay, friends, that's all we're doing today. Numbers, numbers, numbers. Count the numbers and see if you know what all the numbers look like. Practice, Okay, practice, practice, practice. If your mom gives you a number 3, then you need to count out 3 candy pieces and feed Pete. Okay? Pete, thanks for coming to school today.
Thanks, everybody. Have a great day.
Okay, friends. Pete says goodbye.